If you don't have a technical background and you want to learn artificial intelligence, just stick around because I'm going to distill Google 4-hour course for beginners into just 10 minutes. You're going to be surprised. I'm going to make it super simple like you have never seen before. Now, I'm going to use the human body, I'm going to use football, I'm going to use music, and I'm going to use movie to explain AI, artificial intelligence. Simple. AI is your entire body if you want to liken it to human being. If you want to liken it to football, it's the entire football squad. That is the AI. And for music, you can say all the Afrobeat collectives are AI. And for movie, you can say all the Hollywood ensemble movies or Bollywood ensemble movies or let's say Nollywood movies, pack of them together, that is AI. Now, under AI, we have machine learning. It's a subset. Just like when you have chemistry, you have organic chemistry, or you have mathematics, you have statistics, or when you have physics, you have thermodynamics. So machine learning comes directly under AI. And machine learning is the real brain center of AI. You can say Pep Guardiola in football, that is the real ML. Now, when you go to music, you can say Fireboy DML or Joe Boy for music. I can give Tom Hanks for a movie rather. Then let's go to deep learning. It has to do with neural network. It connects differently. Just like the human brain has different centers, you know, as you learn, you connect different part of your brain together, connect the neural network, like we have the spinal cord, we have all the nerves and every part of your brain connected. That is the neural network. The neural network works exactly like human brain. I'll give that to Messi in football, and I'll give it to Omale in music, and I'll give it to Meryl Streep for movie. You feel free, just tell me who is the DL, who is the neural network of movie, of football, of music. All right, I'll go to supervised learning. Supervised learning means that you go to class, you are taught, and you can deliver. That is called teacher-guided learning. Ronaldo, super. So American Idol contestants are just like that. You are given what to do before you come on the stage, and after you go on the stage, you go into the next. They are going to train you on what to do. Will Smith is a perfect. You see how Will Smith moved from one level of professionalism to the other as he was learning and he was growing. That is supervised learning. I'll go to unsupervised learning, which has to be the self-taught. Some people are natural, spontaneous, and self-taught. The AI is able to, by using different knowledge of what he has, when you have trained the machine with certain data, just like human being, once you have gotten some knowledge, you can use it to apply to area where you have not been taught. Messi is still the best. Burna Boy, I'll give it to Burna Boy in Nigeria. Burna Boy is like unsupervised learner, is freestyle, is very good. Then Jim Carrey for movie star. Generative AI is what we all know, which is ChatGPT, and that has to do with imaginative creativity. Things that have never been seen. You bring it out from what you know, from your bank of data, you create another thing. Oh, culture, don't argue it. Ronaldo, don't argue it. Beyonce or Burna Boy, very cool. I can also give it to Wizkid in music. And when it comes to like generative AI for movie, Leonardo DiCaprio. In Nigeria, I'll give it to RMD. LLM is large language model. Large language model has to be a specialized MVP. Is you have to be specialized in something. Like we teach language model with a particular bunch of data. Then when you want to apply it, you have to apply it to a specific data. For example, if we have large language model that learn, let's say you have a dog and you train the dog different thing. When you want to apply the dog as a security dog, maybe you taught your dog sit, stand, and all that. But if you want to use it as a security dog, it has to be retrained. Do you understand that? That is specialized learning. Just like you want to specialize. Ronaldo is a good example in football. He's a specialized learner. When you give Ronaldo, now wing is going to deliver. Those are specialized learner. Davido in music is a specialized learner. Those are top notch. And Taylor Swift also in music. Then for movie, Denzel Washington. Please, this is so simple. I've made AI super simple using different examples, using football stars, using Nigerian American music stars, using movie stars. So, and this is how we cap it up. If you have any objection or you want to learn how we do AI, I'm going to be giving you more information about AI and supervised learning and all this in coming videos. You're going to love it. You're going to enjoy it. Like and share this video. Comment. Let me see your ideas. Let's see thought. Let's make it interactive. I want my learning to be different from other learning. I'm going to be teaching AI in a very different way. I'm going to be teaching you using practical example, practical business. Let's catch up next time. So other part of my course, you see them. Just go to my page, subscribe and like and share. I love you. Thank you.